Philosophy 1000, Introduction to Philosophy. What is philosophy? In this course, you are going to explore many answers to this question. In general, the perspective that I like to take on philosophy is that it is a way by which human beings explore the most fundamental questions that they encounter in the course of living out their lives. What distinguishes philosophy from religion, for example, which does the same thing, is that philosophy does not have an answer. Religions have answers to these fundamental questions. Philosophy, instead, is an exploration of these questions without recourse to an overarching final answer. This class will concentrate on four of the most important branches of philosophy: metaphysics, epistemology, moral philosophy, also known as ethics, and political philosophy. Metaphysics is the study of what is real, and epistemology is the study of how we know what is real. We are going to cover metaphysics and epistemology for the majority of this course, and in the process we will look at the overall history of Western philosophy, which has been primarily concerned with these two fundamental questions: what is, and how do we know what is? In the second to last module, we will turn our attention to moral philosophy, which is a more practical application of philosophical inquiry into how one should live one's life. And then we will conclude with a look at political philosophy, how we live together. This course is made up of 7 modules. Each module contains 5 parts. The first part is the textbook reading. The second part is the resource material available on my courses that you will read and view to supplement your understanding of the reading material. The third part is a reading quiz to test your comprehension. The fifth part is a discussion so that you can discuss key ideas covered in the reading with your fellow classmates. And then finally, a comprehensive test over the module that involves both discussion, multiple choice, and true and false questions. It is important that you remember that in order to proceed through the module, you must complete each of the activities. So, for example, you cannot take the reading quiz until you have viewed and read all of the material in the module resources. You cannot take part in the form discussion until you have successfully completed the reading quiz, and you can't take the comprehensive module test until you have fulfilled the requirements of the form assignment. So each part of a module is connected into the others. You must proceed in order, and you must complete everything. In addition to the assignments in each module, you will also have a final and a paper to write in this class. Taken together, all of these will form your final grade. The final is worth 20% of your overall grade. The paper is worth also 20% of your overall grade. The information about the final can be found in the final module, and the assignment and resources for the philosophy paper can be found in the Start Here section beneath the syllabus. This has been a skeleton presentation I've given you only a general sense of what to expect. So I'm sure you have a lot of questions. Please, if you have them, make use of the Q&A form in the very first section of your course page. And if your questions are more pertaining to you, or if they involve information that you don't want to share with the rest of the class, then don't hesitate to email me. I'm very responsive. My responses to questions, I always say allow 24 to 48 hours for my responses, but my responses usually come much more quickly than that. So please do not hesitate to email me or to use the form. I hope that you enjoy this class. I know that I'm going to enjoy teaching it.